Welcome to Grow with Biology. Today's topic is the difference between a prokaryotic cell and an eukaryotic cell. Now, as the name suggests, prokaryotic cells were the primitive cells and eukaryotic cells are the advanced cells. So, in prokaryotes, the nucleus is not very prominent, or the exact structure of nucleus is absent in prokaryote while it is present in eukaryotes. When we talk about the chromosome or the number of chromosome, one and only one but not a true chromosome is observed in prokaryotes, while in eukaryotes there is more than one. If we talk about the cell type, then the prokaryotes are basically or usually unicellular and eukaryotes are usually multicellular. True membrane-bound nucleus is absent in prokaryote while it is present in eukaryotes. Examples of prokaryote include bacteria and archaea, whereas examples of eukaryotes are animals and plants. In genetic recombination, the partial and unidirectional transfer of DNA from one bacterial cell to another bacterial cell is observed in prokaryotes, while meiosis and fusion of gametes is observed in eukaryotic organisms. Now, if we talk about the cell organelles, which are basically absent in prokaryotes, so lysosomes and peroxisomes, microtubules, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, cytoskeletons, all these are absent in prokaryotes while all are present in eukaryote. Ribosomes, which are required for the synthesis of proteins, are smaller in size in prokaryotic cell while it is larger in eukaryotic cells. Vesicles are present in both prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cell. Golgi apparatus is absent in prokaryotes because it is a cell organelles, and prokaryotic cell lack the membrane bound cell organelles. Chloroplast, which is found in plants, are present in eukaryotic cell and absent in prokaryotes, but chlorophyll is scattered in the cytoplasm of some prokaryotic cell. If we talk about permeability of nuclear membrane, it is selective permeability in eukaryotic cell, where it is permeability is not present in a prokaryotic cell. DNA wrapping on proteins. Eukaryotes have a larger amount of DNA, or the length of the eukaryotic DNA is large, so that it cannot easily fix into the nucleus. So to reduce the portion covered by the nucleus, it has to wrap around the protein, and the protein is known as histone proteins. Histone has its different conformation. It is a polymeric protein. And in prokaryotes there are multiple proteins, but there are on which there is the DNA of the prokaryotic is found to condense or overlap and get a different conformation. There is not proper nucleus found in prokaryotic cells, so in absence of exact nucleus, the DNA is found to be present in different conformation around the tetramer protein of the HU proteins. If we talk about the plasma membrane with the steroid content, prokaryotes does not have a steroids, whereas eukaryotes have steroids. Cell wall is chemically complex in prokaryote, whereas in plant cells and animal cells there is some complexity. Flagella, which is submicroscopic in size in prokaryote, whereas in microscopic size in eukaryote. So the size is also different in prokaryotic and eukaryotic, and they are arranged in 9 doublets surrounded by 2 singlets. In vacuoles, which is present in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes, and the cell size of a prokaryotic cell is about 1 to 10 micrometer, whereas in eukaryotic cell is 10 to 100 micrometers. So this is the basic difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. You can stay tuned to the videos for the upcoming differences on different topics, and you can also look at the Facebook page for the upcoming topics and different questions related to these topics. Thank you.